So let's look up 360 projections in live. So I have some 360 footage over here, and if I just open the media file, it kind of shows as this kind of equirectangular view, which is one format of 360. So this side continues to this side, and basically here is the sky and here's the ground. You can project it here as a 360 by toggling this on. So now you actually see some part of the window. You can kind of navigate it. So we are kind of inside this 360 bubble, and looking outside, you can also use the pan zoom tool and kind of see the sphere as here and kind of select positions from here. So let's project this file. So open up project and setup. Okay, I've done it already. So basically you drag it here, it should come up as a equirectangular 360. If not, and you know your material is equirectangular 360, you can kind of make it so. There's also a few other formats of panoramic image possibilities here. So it also assigns itself to be spherical projection type. There's also dome projection type, which is kind of special category of spherical. So it's really kind of similar, and you can start with this and change it into a dome. We have a camera profile. Let's not use a tracker, so we can assign things manually, and let's use frustum highlight on our wall. So create this, and you should see basically your projection being set up over here. First thing to note that now this part of the menu is always important and interesting. It tells about the main node, what type it is, and what settings are available for that. So it's kind of also visible here in the node tree. Um, so if this is closed, you can kind of hover over to the. So the EQ to wall talks about our wall. So basically, this is just our main screen over here. But then we talk about how this projection is done to our wall. So we can pan around, basically kind of turning the image around in as if we were kind of inside the 360 wall. And then the camera is the other place where you basically do changes. So this is like how far from the center are you from the wall. So basically changing the Z position or the Y position is like where are you inside this kind of a globe or I don't know, some kind of a glass aquarium. The camera should see what the frustum over here is kind of displaying. So that is our kind of main interest.